commercial for Ajinomoto Ginisa seasoning mix kasi this is also my chance to cook, something I really want to do too. It's a good thing that before the shoot, my workshop sa pagluluto sa Ajinomoto office. So, at least, I'm more familiar with the procedures on how to whip up dishes made more delicious with Aji Ginisa. Nakakatakam talaga.
That wide an appeal to audience across the board din eh. I mean, across all demographics, social classes, lahat, pati age groups. So even moms, they admire her, you know, and they look up to her. Tapos, even yuppies, no? So talagang kuha niya lahat ng demographics. From the young ones to the older ones. And, I guess, no? All the economic classes kuha niya. She's actually the ideal endorser for the new Aji Ginisa because she's young, she's vibrant, she's dynamic, she's up and coming, she's hot. And that's pretty much how Aji Ginisa is now, you know. It's reformulated, it's made more delicious. It's perfect for the new generation of cooks who are starting out the way Clara is. And also it's reformulated to surprise seasoned cooks who know what it takes to make something really delicious. So mali na mali sila.
Very happy. Yung focus din kasi is not just with a new endorser, but one of the things that we want to communicate is the deliciousness of the dishes. So hindi siya masyadong, it's a balance lang of the message for the new product, yung deliciousness, kasi syempre we're a food company, so kailangan pag nakita yung pagkain, masarap tignan, diba? And then with Sarah, singing yung bagong jingle, tapos yung expression palagi yung face niya is very natural dun sa ano. So I think it will work na ma-appreciate ng mga viewers natin din yung TV niya. Not just for the product, but also it's entertaining. Kasi you can compare yourself with others. Don't buy it with people.
Katrabaho si Sarah, aside from she's very pretty, you know, parang nakaka-relax siyang katrabaho. Hindi ka matetense kasi, very accommodating, di ba? Lagi siya nagsismile, super bait, tapos friendly. I really find her, I don't know, parang vibrant. I don't know, when she enters, parang, Sarah, nakaka-smile ka. Kasi, yung vibe niya, kasi, parang friendly talaga. In my case, kasi I'm a fan of Sarah talaga. So, parang makita ko siya, wow! Dream come true na to for me na makasama siya na commercial. Pa yung mami niya, mami fine.
Yun din siya eh. Yun, kung ano yung nakikita mo sa camera. On and off, ganun siya. Simple, sweet, mabait. Yun eh. Kung may daughter na ako, gusto ko ganun ang mag-always. Kasi kailan yung mga daughter ko parang sa Bladita. Pero siya talaga magiging voice ng parang yan.
I want to learn how to cook, diba? Cook real good food. Yan. Sana, hopefully, after doing this commercial, ma-inspire ako na, at ma-inspire din si Mami pag-aralin ako ng culinary, o diba? Para, may contribution din ako sa, sa bahay, household chores, diba? Ako maghuhugas ng pinggan, diba? So, yun.